Hi, welcome everybody. Nice to see you again. Today I'm going to show you that ClickerWeb is not just only a fantastic tool for SEO and internet marketing, but it includes 3 powerful editors allowing you easy web design. But before we are going to see the different editors, I would like to introduce you the concept of templates, as ClickerWeb is not a template-driven site. A template is defined as a predefined design of a page where from outside you may enter other text or other images. The design remains the same. Accordingly, a template-driven site allows an easy update and an easy content generation. The more navigation becomes easy for the visitor, as all pages are based on the same design. This means that the greatest advantages of a template-driven site are that it is easy understandable to the visitor and is less work and cost-intensive. Let's see the disadvantages. It is usually database driven. That means that you have a front end showing the pages and a back end where you enter or change the data to be displayed. All pages are accordingly served usually by inquiry of the database, which takes a little time more. As it is template driven, you have rather no flexibility in changing the design of the page. This may include whatever add-on you want to add to the page. Now let's see the alternatives the ClickerWeb technology is offering you. First of all, ClickerWeb technology is not database driven. Accordingly, we do not have a front end and we do not have a back end because both things are integrated. ClickerWeb is not template driven, as I told you, because whatever internet page can and is a template for the ClickerWeb technology, so we do not need to build a whatever template. First thing so, you can import whatever page you find on internet with the ClickerWeb Spider. Accordingly, it is very easy to update as well as to create new content. You may choose to show just one design, so you have the same common way to show content to your visitors. So similar to the template-driven technology, ClickerWeb technology is easy understandable, less work and cost-intensive. Now whatever page you do import from internet, it is editable by our 3 editors. As we do not use front and back end, whatever page can be edited on the fly directly in your browser. Furthermore, the editors are highly flexible as WYSIWYG editors, so you can change whatever aspect of the page you like. Which means that just your fantasy and creativity is your limit. Well, let's see what I introduced with our eyes. We are going to open the main editor. And here's the main editor. We divided the main editor in different parts. So page title you see here, the page description, which has a great relevance for search engine positioning, and now the content in the compressed view, but we are able to enlarge to full screen, which allows us a better overview and editing. I swapped back from full screen to normal mode in order to show you how easy it is to save your changed web content. Just enter your email and password, then click the Update Me button. The editor closes automatically, and after a few seconds the server will give you feedback about the successful writing of your page. Just close the alert and you have the page as it is already online. Well, one of the goals of Dunya LLC, who built up the ClickerWeb technology, is that these tools should be commonly available and usable by everybody. Accordingly, for all those people who do not like to use words, for example, we have built 2 other powerful editors. Well, by pressing the button below, we access the Quiz editor. And here you see our page directly with the Quiz editor. Now all parts of the page are editable as you see. If you want to program this page to be editable by end users, just change the template 12 whatever into a question. By pressing this button we close the quiz editor, and as you see the design of the page is exactly as it was before. Clicking once again you reactivate the quiz editor. Well, I reclose it now and you see the page is identical as it was before. Well, this was the quiz editor. Now let me introduce to you the mouse over editor. The mouse over editor is a so-called reflex editor. Usually an editor will show up with the whole page you want to edit. A reflex editor as a mouse over editor, just a small part you are interested to edit. You just need to pass your mouse over the text of this page, and the mouse over editor will show up with a click me where you can edit an object. I click on this object and you have the mouse over editor activated. Here another object in editing. Now, an object can be whatever. It might be a photo, it can be just text, or it might be even sound. Accordingly, the mouse over editor will deal with text, with voice, with images and with music. So with just one editor on ClickerWeb you can do what usually 4 or different programs do on your desktop computer. That is why we consider the mouse over editor to be a major success in our ClickerWeb technology. Well, here's a page after the editing. You see the design has not changed, the page is same as it was. Now, unfortunately, once finished this tutorial, I've seen that it became too long, so I split it in 2 parts, and you can see the limits of the mouse over and quiz editor and the relative workarounds, as well as automatic language translation of your web page in the second part. Sorry for the inconvenience.